even trying. Uncle, are you trying?
Trying what?
Are you trying to get viewers?
Yeah.
Sure you are.
Because you don't know the business.
I do. My teacher's a TikToker / YouTuber.
Okay, so?
You want to see?
So?
You want to see?
No.
She started a few years ago, like 2019, like I think 2018. Now she has 3,000 followers or subscribers.
So?
Uncle doesn't use TikTok.
You think I care?
She used YouTube too,
I don't really
and she has
care.
3,000 subscribers.
So what?
I'm not even trying.
I do my own business. Somebody do their own business. Why? Why you tell me that? I do my own business. Why?
What desert do we live in?
Hmm?
What kind of desert do we live in?
Arizona desert.
No, the desert. What's the name?
We don't have the name here.
Yes, we do.
Sonora desert's not here.
Yes, it is.
But we don't.
This is the Sonoran Desert.
No.
Yes, it is.
Sonora desert is in the south.
My teacher told me we live in the Sonoran Desert.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Whatever.
I'm gonna search it up.
Yeah. Sonora desert is in South Arizona. We live in the north. We live in the north Arizona, northern Arizona. You know that we're living in the northern Arizona.
So what park are we going?
So, Uncle, it says right here, yes, the Sonoran Desert surrounds Phoenix, Arizona.
Okay. So?
Yes.
So?
You can just say yes.
Yas.
That's what.
Oh, the shoe stores are here. I wanted to go to
The
shoe store over here. Nike, Adidas, and
The what?
shoe store.
The shoe store?
I like Shoe Place better. Oh, wait, never mind. This is not the shoe store.
This is Planet Fitness. This
Talking about this one right
Planet
here.
Fitness.
This one has good grip. Uncle, you want a 1v1? You want a 1v1?
What?
Do you want a 1v1?
What is that?
Oh yeah, I was talking about this one. The shoe place. Or the shoe store.
Oh, I want to sleep. I want to sleep.
You want a 1v1?
What is that?
Let me play against each other.
Alright.
Yeah?
What?
Do you want to play against each other?
Yeah.
And plus, Uncle,
Huh?
remember that time we went to play basketball?
Mhm.
You shoot like this, like a volleyball player.
Yeah.
See that?
Don't
Shoot
do
like
that.
that.
It's gonna break everything.
How do you throw?
Like that.
Now I know how to shoot the basketball right now.
You shoot like this.
No, I know.
I shoot like this.
Okay.
And you don't even jump when you shoot.
He doesn't.
Like, bro, what is your jump shot?
Well, he doesn't need it. He's tall.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know those big people in freaking basketball, they jump too. You have to jump around unless it's a foul. He was lucky we're not playing a game. They need to jump unless if they don't jump, it's a foul. Uncle, which one are we going to?
Chopper Park.
This is not the way.
So hey.
What's this Skydio one?
Yes.
Yeah.
The chopper one, the blue big one.
Police are behind us. You see? Police
Look up
behind
and
us.
say yes.
You guys see that? Police behind us.
Where?
Oh, he's fast. Oh, he's fast.
Look.
He's fast, all right. Damn!
Dang, that's fast.
What happens?
Damn! These people.
You're about to say that in word.
That was it.
Yeah.
Probably a shooting. Cause I watch in Facebook Shorts, then people shoot.
Hi. Hi. Do you like your...
You see the police stop right there. What happens?
He was probably on his radio talking to someone, and then they told him where he was. I think. We're going to the. Remember the time the police showed up to our house, and when we were playing football, we were throwing it.
Yeah. He was talking to us.
Yeah, he was so nice with his partner.
He was like this. You guys play
Football?
And I got embarrassed because I didn't catch it. I missed it.
He wanted to see my best spiral.
I missed it though. You threw at me. I don't know.
He was laughing at you on God. On God he was. He was like with his partner. His partner was laughing first.
Can I say ball with it?
We're gonna hit a stick.
You have to press that. You want to play? You guys are on the team versus me. I'm by myself. Cause I'm good.
Yeah.
Alright, give me the ball.
Catch it.
Not right now.
Oh, you scared me. I thought I was gonna hit your face.
Police are in the front right there.
Yeah, I see it. This is how you know it's good grip. You hear that?
I hear it.
Size 6. Daddy boys got the 60s in my ride. Why do we have to freeze one of? Oh damn!
That's a big.
In the front. Police.
Yeah, in the front.
So big.
There's like 2 police officers.
Look at that. There's a lot of police cars.
Oh damn! 3 now.
It's a lot.
Over there.
There's a lot down there.
Right there. Look, see? Look it. A lot down there.
That looks like this.
There's a behind us too. Look, police car
Oh, yeah,
behind
there's
us.
one behind us.
Was 4 or what?
6, actually.
What
Ooh, he ran a red light.
They
Traffic violation.
No, it's okay. When cops go over the red line, it's okay.
Cops are about to freaking go to court, probably.
No, they're not. I'm typing.
Police are right there too. They coming everywhere. See?
It's so everywhere.
Everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Why?
What's going on?
Okay, I'm typing.
Look at that.
Wait, you hear that? You hear that?
Yeah, look at the
I hear
police car. Look,
Do you hear that? Uncle, I hear shooting.
I don't know. Why shooting?
Huh. You hear it? You hear that?
Don't say that. Don't say that
No,
word.
they're not shooting.
They're not
Yeah, they
shooting.
are.
Don't say that.
See that?
That's your mouth.
Be quiet.
No, is it?
Yeah, it is. I hope there's no cops here. Wait, how many cops?
Probably 7.
7 cops. Dang.
Because I counted there was like 6 and now
7.
7. Because
There's no cops here.
why were the cops there for real?
I don't know. Maybe a robbery? Yeah.
Maybe
Wait.
stolen vehicle or shooting or something.
I hope there's no cops here. There's like 7 cops. Wow.
Probably freaking 10 because
10.
partners.
I saw no one there. Are we there?
Not yet.
This is a village. What kind of village?
Uncle,
Yeah?
can I go to Osborne Middle School?
I don't know.
Look at them. Look at the houses on
Look at the camelback mountain.
the house on the mountain. Baby, Juice WRLD's house. Exercise is just over there.
No.
Jonathan's right there. You see him? I see him.
Oh, hell no.
I see him. I see him with his brother.
They're not here.
They're with the ninja kids.
Oh, hell no. They're probably at the...
Oh, they're going to the playground. We're gonna meet them.
Look at that car.
Hell no.
What happened?
There's no ninja
What
kids.
happened?
You
Just
missed,
world.
you missed the car. Royal Palm
Can I say
Aztec.
cheese? I'm gonna send it to Drew
Royal Palm
and
Aztec.
T.
Hell no.
Okay, you can show your face. I'm gonna send it to Novi too. Say something.
Don't call me.
Oh my goodness, 5 o'clock already. 1 hour and we'll come back home.
Make it 2 hours.
Oh,
1 hour and another hour. So then hurry. Speed like the cop did. We live in the Sonoran Desert.
Oh, there's a lot of balls here.
Kai, look.
What? Yeah, I know. I know how to do that.
I'm sending all these people.
Who? Wait, who are they? You can't.
Hip hop.
You can't.
What?
You have no internet.
Yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna have internet.
Did you save it?
No.
It's a tiger hat like that. It's a tiger.
Baby, don't send it to them.
Why? You said you're not. What? I can send to them. Who do you want me to send it to? Julie?
Church.
Me and Novi,
And who?
Eli.
Eli, he's not my friend.
Yeah, he is.
I don't have him.
He accepted you.
Scottsdale. Welcome to Scottsdale.
Not
Look at
Eli.
that.
But, T.
And now we are in Scottsdale.
Don't worry. Julie.
Oh, Julie's alright. That T. T.
Yes.
Good.
So, 3, 2.
Do it again.
I said I don't want to play that game. That's you.
Press it or else you don't like that.
That's you.
Let me see how I look.
This is you. I'm saying that.
Bro!
What?
Oh, Arizona party bike. Bike.
Wait, Arizona what?
Arizona party bike.
Arizona party bike. What? I'm saying it.
No.
What about Saya?
Oh, yeah, do it.
What about T?
No.
Close it.
Yes,
Close
please.
that one.
Kai.
Oh, yeah.
Kai.
Do it. I dare you. You won't.
I almost pressed it.
If you do it, you have
Downtown
balls.
Scottsdale.
I'm not a boy.
Yeah, if you do, you have balls.
Don't you have?
What are you touching?
Here.
Okay, sure. You were like right here.
You say that again. I'm pressing.
Oh, it's I remember going to that place. It's the mall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember over here.
Can we go to
I want to live in Scottsdale.
Hmm?
Why?
Scottsdale's better
I know.
than Phoenix.
Yeah, much better than
I'm sending
Phoenix.
it to T, okay?
But very expensive.
Come, send it to T, okay?
Presley, you
Please.
You have balls.
She wants to see you sing that.
Presley, you have balls.
No, I don't. In front of the camera, wow.
Yep,
Doing a video.
I know. Presley, you have balls.
I deleted that video.
No, you didn't. Show me that. Now you're deleting it. No,
I
babe,
still have it.
baby, baby. Whoa!
Excuse me.
Hey, it's a McLaren. Oh my gosh.
Where?
Right there is a big McLaren.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is anybody in the car? Go there.
Bro,
What?
Uncle, I saw a green McLaren. I saw a green
Sorry.
McLaren.
Sorry.
Is anybody in the car?
No.
There's nobody in the car. There's nobody in
no
the
one's
car.
in the car. No one's in the fucking car. Except the person inside it.
So,
Except the person in the back.
Kyle, who do you want me to send it to?
Me?
Everybody.
Novi? Julie? Oh, hell no.
He'd put Tipu?
No.
Tipu? Yeah?
No.
Why?
I don't like her. She's a stranger. Stranger danger.
She's not.
Stranger danger.
Why do you always copy Novia?
I said first. First of all.
He's in a call. The group chat.
Stranger bucket danger. I didn't copy him. Stranger bucket danger.
I know her.
So do I.
She's not a stranger.
Bucket danger.
I know her.
Go.
She has a lot of nephews.
Nah, really? Never knew that?
They're all boys.
Nah, really? I totally didn't see them.
Boy, why? It's Senior and,
No, it is not.
yeah, I think cousin or nephews. I think it's a cousin or nephew.
They are not, baby.
Yeah, they are. Actually,
I seen his cousin. Plus, Senior doesn't have a nephew.
he does.
No, he doesn't.
I said, like cousin or
Yes, I know.
nephew.
I seen his cousin. They're all boys. And plus, Senior doesn't have a nephew.
Yeah, I know.
So you're lying.
He said, they're not his nephews in the other class. In Alex's class.
So how much do you want to bet?
And Miss Moon.
Oh shoot. How much you want to bet?
Don't tell me you're gonna call her.
How much you want to bet? How much do you want to bet?
She said in the class, these are my nephews. They were like, yeah. I'll bet $1. No 50s anymore. Oh, we're going to this part. Wait, this part D.
Is Senior your nephew?
She was fine.
Huh?
Never. Senior and someone else.
If she says no or that she doesn't know him, girl, you're dead.
What? They know each other. I think it's nephew or
I ship
cousin.
them. Nothing.
You what?
Nothing.
You ship them?
No, I never said that. I never ship anybody.
I totally believe you.
I don't even go on a ship.
Oh hell no.
I mean, I have, but not those ships that carry people. Like carry things far away.
Kai,
What?
you said you ship them.
I never said that. I said I don't like
Uncle-
them.
You said I ship them.
I never said that.
Yes, you did. When Uncle watches this video, I'm gonna see if you said it.
Uncle, after you live, don't post this video on anything so nobody can rewatch it.
Oh yeah, that's why. Because you don't want me to see you say.
Okay, fine.
I
Fine,
ship
Uncle.
them.
I never ship anybody. For real.
If Uncle watches this video, I'm gonna see. Ooh, it's Kaya said I ship them. I never know.
Never,
There's a
never,
lot of
never.
people coming.
Huh?
See, there's a lot of people coming.
I need the basketball court. Yeah.
Yes,
Remember that park over there?
Yeah.
Yes, there's no one on the basketball court. Man,
I don't even know her name anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's
Like
Sophia.
that monkey.
I think it's Sophia. Is it?
No. It starts with a T. I think it was Teresa.
Teresa?
Teresa, that ghost.
Oh, hell no.
The ghost girl, Teresa.
She's not. This is not her name.
Yes, it is. The ghost girl.
No, the other friend that we met. She was like 7. I think she's 8. Not that kind of Teresa. Ow. Oh, hell no. Who's that?
Teresa.
Teresa. Why'd you say it like that? Not that kind of Teresa. The girl we met. I don't know her name. I forgot. I want to play volleyball. What about you guys?
We can't. There's no volleyball. There's no place for that volleyball that has no sand. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's right there. Wait, where did I put my phone? Where did I put my phone?
Huh? You put your phone in
My
your
back.
stomach.
Alright guys, if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification
Make
bell.
it better.
I'm better.
See you guys next video. Thank you. Bye.
Video.